I have showed you how to create a file and write data to the file. Now, the last thing that I need to show you is how do we read data from a file? That is, how do we get all the content of a file? So I'm just going to show you that. What I want you to do is create a new file inside chapter 9 and call it read underscore from underscore file plus py. So again, I will copy this and I will paste it inside read from file.py. Now, the only difference is that we're going to be changing the mode. Now, if I head back to the tutorial guide, it says the read mode is the default value. It opens a file for reading and gives an error if the file does not exist. So this mode does not create a new file, unlike append and write mode or the X mode. What it only does is that it opens a file to read its content. So what we're just going to do is we're going to change this from A to R, signifying to Python that we want to read data from the file. And in order to read data from the file, all we just have to do is I'm going to create a new variable and I'll call it my file data. And it is going to be equals to my file dot read. Now, this dot read is an inbuilt method that Python gives to us by default. As you can see, it's a method or a function, and Python gives this to us by default. Now, once you call dot read, it will just get all the contents of the file and assign it to this variable called my file data. And all we simply just have to do is print my file data just to see the content. Now, before I print it, let me head to the text file. You can see this is the content of the file. I am human and not an alien. And the next line is, and I live on Earth. So what I will just simply do is I will run this program. And you can see that it gives us exactly what is inside the file, which is, I am human and not an alien. And I am human, not an alien, and it gives us, and I live on Earth. So that is to tell you that we are successfully able to read contents from a file. And we forgot to do one more thing, which is to close the file. So always forget to close the file. So I'm going to say my file does close. So that is basically how you read data from a file. You just open it in read mode. You call the .read method, and then you can then print out the data or perform some other processes that you wish to perform on the data from the file.